Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to set your wake-up time in the Fitbit app so you can maintain a consistent sleep schedule. If you've been struggling with waking up on time or want to optimize your sleep routine, first, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Sleep option. Click on Sleep to access all sleep-related settings. Then, locate the Wake Time option and tap on it. You will see a time selector where you can choose the wake-up time that works best for your schedule. Move the hours and minutes to set your preferred wake time. Once you have selected the correct time, click on Set Goal to save your new wake-up schedule. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Fitbit tips.